I think it's a very good opportunity, and I think it's like really interesting that you guys got a representative from the NSF, because they need to listen to us, and we need to tell them that they're not doing any like immediate action.
I was with the few, the less vote, and I still in the end, but feeling that some people came to my vote and moved from the other pool made me feel like, okay, we're having discussions, people are changing their minds, and we're listening. So we're just like, we have this perspective that Arabs are very stubborn, they do not listen to each other. I feel today that the percentage changing, moving from a vote to another, they are listening, so that's a good thing.
I understand more about the opposite view of the opposition or the other opinion, so I get more confidence in my opinion, or I discover like weaks in my point or in my opinion. I'm trying to change my opinion.
Both of their opinion were convincing. The only question I had for both of them: what can you do, like, to implement the results at the moment? And I didn't see any of them came with a magic answer.
I think it gets the people's opinions. People get more engaging because people ask the question, while on TV, like, no one, like, it's not interest in the people. People are not like saying their input. Like, live action is so much better than like Facebook and like Twitter and social media.
It was a very good opportunity. It created an enabling environment. It was very civil, and it was very quiet, and there was a lot of information exchanged. And as a result, I felt a bit at ease asking the question. It was very inspiring, I would say.
Well, this debate, I liked its title and I registered. However, when I came and saw their mind and their history, I just like, wow, politics is gonna be good in the future, not like the past or the old politicians, or we're not gonna need to be either stuck with the Islamists again or with people not educated that well. Even I'm with a decision, a speaker, and against the other, both of them in the end, I feel Egypt would be good in their hands, so it's a good thing.
It's like giving me trust and giving me hope in the Egyptian youth, in the Egyptian in the people who are like me, and like they are asking a very important questions. They are asking questions that like give us the insight that they are very educated and they are very aware of what's going on.
I hope one day that having more of these debates in schools, or in exchange programs, or in colleges, may actually help a lot, maybe on social media even, may help trigger a lot of thought, and hopefully we'll get models or simulations, little simulations, inspired by the New Arab debates.
To become more aware of what's going on in the country, you should come and see those debates and participate more in deciding the future of the country.
Do keep in touch with us via our website, www.newarabdebates.com.